Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to review these leggings. It's a sample by Yvette Leggings for women. So mine are royal blue, as you can see. And I love these leggings because with them you can work out, you can run, you can do squats, you can do lunges. And one of the things that I like the most is that the material is very comfortable, is breathable. Even if you're sweating, this is going to feel like a second skin. This part here of the calf, it has a mesh. Just want to show here, it has a mesh. And it's great because if you're sweating, if you're hot, if you're running, then that's going to allow that extra air around your legs. So also it has the stitching, it has a strategic stitching on the side, and this here is not only going to push your belly inside, but it's also when you bend down, when you do abs or any other twist of a movement working out, it's not going to roll over, it's not going to fall, stays perfect like that. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you check them out. They're great. Thank you for watching my video.